Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your entire Android phone, including photos, messages, contacts, and other important data, directly to Google Drive. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open the Settings application on your Android phone. After opening Settings, scroll down and look for the option called Google and tap on it. Once you open the Google settings, tap on Backup. This option allows you to save your phone's important data to your Google account. Now, make sure the option Backup by Google One is turned on. This will automatically back up your app data, contacts, SMS messages, call history, and device settings. Next, tap on Backup Now to start the backup process immediately. Your phone will now begin uploading your data to your Google Drive account. Depending on the size of your data and internet speed, this may take a few minutes. If you also want to back up your photos and videos, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Photo Settings and select Backup. Make sure the Backup toggle is turned on so all your photos and videos are automatically saved to the cloud. Once everything is enabled, your Android phone will automatically keep your data backed up. This is very helpful if you ever lose your phone or switch to a new device. And that's it. That's how you can back up your entire Android phone to Google Drive easily. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.